High is really cold, about 3 degrees of Celsius, so I will be really quick. So RC Electro Glider Easymax by Czech company 3DLabprint.com. On website of this company you can buy 3D model or data for 3D print on your 3D printer, and after print of all parts you just will glue them together with quinoacrylate glue and mount servos, motors, ESC, propeller, etc., and you can go fly. All airplanes by 3DLabprint.com flies really nicely, and I can recommend models to you. This model, RC Electro Glider, is actually first of models of this company, and I won't tell you some technical dates about this model. So wingspan of this model is about 1.5 meters. Precisely it is 1527 millimeters. Wing area is 30 square decimeters, and wing loading is 32 grams per decimeter. About weight of model. Print weight, it means how many filaments it will eat. About 630 grams of PLA. This is from PLA, so this is flying corn. And flying weight, ready to take off weight, how we want, is between 940 grams and 1300 grams. Actually, this model is, if you will model in a center of gravity, I have it now. It's really difficult. Make it in the center of gravity, but not for too heavy tail, but for too heavy nose. So if you will print this model, don't be really too tight about weight of tail. Make tail with really standard print. It's not necessary saving some weight on print process on tail, because main problem will be how put motor, ESC and battery light enough for center of gravity. Minimum weight is 940. My Easymax is 950. It means only 10 grams plus minimum flying weight. Motor inside is NTM 3530 1400 kV from Hobby King, and with heavy propeller for this motor, 11 per 9 inches folding prop. This is really heavy for this motor, but you can use, and my experience says clearly on few of these motors on this heavy setup, you can use this heavy propeller on this motor for a few seconds. Yes, for a few seconds for starts, for some aggressive climbing, etc., but not for continuously loading. Yes, so with this motor you can use this propeller, but be careful, only for a few seconds. This motor with this propeller, again 11 per 9 inches on NTM 3530 1400 kV. It will eat about 400 watts, over 400 watts, which is really enough for under 1 kilogram RC glider. This RC glider, again printed on 3D printer, is in one piece. It means wing is glued to fuselage, and it could be a little bit hard for transport by smaller car, but nothing tragical. Here is interesting solution for space for receiver, in my case receiver with stabilization, but I use stabilization only for maiden flight. After them I fly without a stabilization, it's not necessary. And motor, I tell about that, ESC 40 amps and battery 1300 milliamp hours, free cell. Flying with this airplane is really easy. This quick model, really nice, without any negative surprises, bad surprises. No, this is really nicely and easy flyable model, but a little bit quicker. So I think this is definitely not model for true beginner. But after Easyglider, why not? About speed. Range of speed is from 20 kilometers per hour to 150 kilometers per hour. 20 kilometers per hour is stall speed. 150 kilometers per hour is maximum never excite speed. But trust me, I tried it eat really more kilometers per hour. But constructor of this model says this is safe speed range. And maximum maneuvering speed is 90 kilometers per hour. So stall speed 20 kilometers per hour, maximum maneuvering speed, designed maneuvering speed 90 kilometers per hour, and never exciting speed 150 kilometers per hour and more, but on your own risk, of course. So I think that's all. It was just because many RC modelers asked me for some more detailed informations about this model. So here is it. And because it's really cold, I will now fly only for a few minutes because it's really cold and my fingers are really frozen. One next thing, someone from different countries asked me if I can print this model for someone else. Yes, I can, but I am afraid that shipping for parts will be maybe higher than my price for print. So you can try it. Yes, send me an email or message on YouTube, and depending on your country, I can calculate shipping price for shipping, and maybe it will be not so horrible, but maybe yes, I don't know. It is depending on your country. I have printed bigger, maybe you saw my previous video, Easymax 130%, and I hope it will fly so nicely like this. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.